Meanwhile, after a hiatus of 6 years, Czech Republic-based automaker Škoda is finally set to bring new brands into the Indian market. CNBC TV18's Farah Bookwala reports that the strategy is to plug holes in its model lineup and strengthen its position in the value luxury segment. Take a look.
Škoda's cars have been on Indian roads for more than a decade, but in all this time, its market share has not crossed 1%. That's something the Czech Republic-based car maker wants to change. Its answer, new launches.
We're going to be launching 4 new products by the end of next year.
Okay.
I can share 2 of those with you. One is the Kodiaq SUV 7-seater, and the second is the Octavia RS. And the other 2, I'm sorry, I cannot talk about at this stage.
That's a big step up, considering Škoda has not launched a new vehicle in India in 6 years. That is, after the Rapid was launched in November 2011. Sources say one of the 2 undisclosed models would be a sedan in the volume segment, positioned above the Rapid. All models will be manufactured in India at the Aurangabad and Chakan facilities. Škoda expects these launches to lift volumes to 20,000 units in 2017, from the 15,000 units in 2015. But Rao is quick to caveat growth projections.
We do not have specific market share goals. We do not have specific volume goals in the medium and long term. Our volume goals are obviously short term because it's a litmus test as to whether or not we are making progress in the right direction.
This is in keeping with Škoda's 3-year-old strategy to not chase volumes at the cost of profitability and financial stability. Now, Škoda is not commenting on how close its Indian operations are to achieving profitability, but says Škoda has achieved breakthrough on several important internal metrics, like a 50% drop in consumer complaints. This ongoing exercise involves an investment of 100 crore rupees, of which 60 crore rupees is done and dusted. However, despite all these efforts, experts say the new models on the annual will only mean a fractional jump in market share, a drop in the ocean, considering the top 3 car makers in India account for 80% of the market. In Mumbai, Farah Bookwala, Vora.